to show you how to set up the Qubo video doorbell by Qubo. To begin, you should ensure that you've read through the user manual to understand exactly how to install the outdoor unit as well as the indoor unit properly. Once you've connected the outdoor unit to your door and you have it powered, and you've also set up the indoor unit in a comfortable and easily accessible space, you can then proceed with downloading the Qubo app from the Play Store to continue with the next part of the setup. To begin, you'll need to power on the device first. Once you power on the device, you will see an LED ring around the bell button light up. And once it is properly powered up, you'll get an audio prompt and the LEDs will start blinking rapidly, indicating that you are now free to proceed to the next step inside the app.
Qubo video doorbell is ready for setup. Please follow the instructions from Qubo app.
Now that the external unit has indicated that you need to open the app, we'll go ahead and do exactly that. If this is the first time that you're opening the app, there will be an additional step of having to create a login ID and then verifying your email. We have already done that. Well, the icon for which is over here. Tap on it. You get a prompt which asks you if there's a blue light continuously blinking on your video doorbell. We can see that is true, so we'll say yes. Next, you're asked to name the doorbell. You can choose whatever name you want, and you can also add a living space. So if the doorbell is placed on your front door, main door, or any other door, you can select exactly that particular living space. We are going to go with the front door and tap on continue. Your phone will now ask you for permissions. Grant them all. It'll now try to hop onto one of the internet IDs or internet SSIDs in your vicinity. You would obviously choose the Wi-Fi of your own home. Once you've added the password of your Wi-Fi SSID, you'll now be shown a QR code. You have to take this QR code and point it to the camera that's present on your doorbell. So we need to take the phone, flip it around, and place it in front of the
QR code scanned. Please wait.
Once the QR code is scanned, it gives you an audio prompt. Once the initial phase is complete, you'll see that the LED indicators have changed the lighting mode. And on the right hand side, you can see that the setup is now complete. You've got a little congratulations message. You can now tap on continue. You also have the ability to use Alexa
Doorbell is ready for use now.
with your doorbell. So if you want to, you can choose to allow permission or not allow. We'll go with allow. You can see that the promotional plan is now activated and you are now set. Your app will now give you a little tutorial on how you can use the application. You should obviously go through each of the steps to get a better understanding of the product. You can also choose to preview or view exactly what the doorbell is seeing in real time via the app. To do that, get to the device menu and tap on the play button in the center. There you go. You now have and if someone is at your doorbell and ringing it, you will get a notification on your indoor unit as well as on the app. So both of the units lit up, and you can now see that the live feed has begun with your camera app. You can choose to cut the call and then go and open the door. You can even communicate via the app with your doorbell. We'll choose to mute the microphone to avoid feedback.
Call is over.
So that's how you can set up the Qobo video doorbell and also pair your app to use the remote control feature. Thank you for watching.